Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. Today I have a Clausine 4914 metal lathe. It has a 10-inch swing and it's 36 inches between centers. It has a 1 1/16 inch spindle hole. The spindle thread is 1 3/4/8. I have a 6-inch 3-jaw chuck with both sets of jaws. And a Loris piston type tool post with two holders, the AX1, which is turning and facing, and the AX4, which is boring. Compound is in nice condition. Nice large dials. It comes with the thread dial. The tailstock is Morse taper 2. It comes with a collet closer, 4C collets. There's the spindle adapter. I don't have the spindle thread protector, so that might be the first project you do on it. Live center, headstock center, adapter and center, and a Morse taper 2. Serial number is 403803 on the bed and on the tag. Additional tooling, I have the follower rest, which is very difficult to find. I don't have a steady rest. An 8-inch 4-jaw drive plate. There's the boring bar holder. And there's the jaws. Storage compartment under the tailstock. Has a broken shelf. Thread pitches and feed rates. Spindle speeds. And it is belt change. It has a 1 horsepower, 3-phase, 208 to 220 and 440 volt motor. It's currently wired for 208 to 220. This relieves tension on the belt, so it's easy to shift between speeds. Leveling pads. So this does have a little interlock on it, so you have to push that in to actually start it. It is in direct drive now. I have a 30 thousandths cut set up. Power cross feed. Now you can see it there. Half nuts. This is direction of feed. for back gear, pull this pin, engage that lever. Quite a bit slower. And reverse. Thanks for looking.